You're looking for a safe country with a high standard of living. You have enough funds, then Norway is the best option. You're one investor visa away from a totally different life. Watch this video to find out all about Norway investor visa. Hi everyone, this is Behnam from the Visa Library. Here, you're about to learn all about Norway investor visa. Before I begin, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. You shouldn't miss any updates. I also have a free cheat sheet that you can download from the description. It's helpful along the way. Are you ready? Let's begin. The Norwegian authorities welcome foreign investments, so they introduced the investor visa to attract investments. You need to be qualified to move to Norway through an investor visa. The first requirement is to be admissible. It means you must be eligible to enter the EU, Schengen area, and Norway. It requires a valid passport from the country you live in. Also, you mustn't be involved in any of the activities that ban you from entering the EU, like terrorist activities, being in jail or prison, trying to overthrow governments, human trafficking, drug dealing, and things like this. You need to provide a clean record certificate. If you can't, you may not apply for an investor visa. The second condition is to have enough funds to invest in Norway. The least required fund is 100,000 euros, but there are no limits on the amount to invest. Remember, your investment must create jobs for the Norwegian people. However, it must be enough to start your company or contribute to the Norwegian economy. The other point to remember is that besides the required fund to invest, you must have enough money to cover your expenses in Norway. If your family is traveling with you, you must have enough funds to cover their expenses as well. The third requirement is that you, as the main applicant, need to be at least 18 years old. Younger applicants come under their parents' application. Now, how should you begin the process? You can get help from a lawyer or move to Norway as a tourist to find investment opportunities. You can talk to companies and negotiate to invest in them. The question is, what section can you invest in? You can invest in seafood maritime, green energy, oil and gas, IT section, advanced manufacturing, ports and logistics, research and development, tourism and leisure, education and medical. The point is, your investment should create jobs. As long as it contributes to the economy and creates jobs, it's valid. But the area must be approved by the government and must be legal. The useful tip I'm about to tell you is that you could also start a new company in Norway. But you need to have a strong business plan. Also, the Norwegian officials need to approve it. Your funds must be enough to start your company in Norway as well. When you make the investments and transfer money to Norway, you need to apply for a visa. For this step, you need to gather a list of supporting documents. You can see the list of visa documents in the Visa Library article from the link in the description. Also, the Norway embassy in your home country could ask for further documents. Ask them about the complete list of supporting documents. When you gather the documents, visit the Norwegian embassy in your home country. You're gonna have to schedule a meeting before getting there. Submit the documents to the embassy and pay the fee for visa processing. If you must submit other documents, the embassy will inform you. There might be an interview about your background, the source of your funds, and how you will pay your expenses in Norway. Just be relaxed and answer the questions. It takes about a month to get your visa processed. When it's ready, you may move to Norway and live under investor visa. Your visa will be valid for 1 year, but you can extend the permit for another year. You have permission to extend the permit as long as you keep your investment and meet the conditions. When you stay in Norway for 3 years, you may apply for PR or permanent residency. But you must respect the national law and commit no criminal offense or hurt others. You may apply for citizenship when you live in Norway for 7 years as a PR residence. But it's only one of the requirements, and there are other conditions as well. The investor program allows you to bring your family, your spouse, and single children under the age of 18. but you must have enough funds to cover their expenses. One question that might bother you is whether you need a lawyer in the process or not. The answer is up to your conditions. Let me explain it this way. Answering these questions can help you find out: 1. Are you fluent in English or Norwegian language? 2. Do you have enough information about the investment process? 3. Can you visit Norway to investigate options in person? 4. Can you receive a tourist visa to move to Norway? Alright then, this was all that you need to know about the Norway investor visa. If you have questions, write them down in the comment section. The Visa Library team will get to them right away. Like this video and hit the bell before you leave us. We're coming back with more videos and updates. Don't forget to get the free cheat sheet from the link in the description. If you want us to make more videos about Norway or its visas, just mention it in the comment section. We'll be back with more videos that you want. Stay tuned. Thank you all for watching.